So attach your number 4 yarn to your yarn scrunchie, chain 2, and then make 90 double crochets. To make a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, go into the scrunchie, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the scrunchie, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Make 90 of these double crochets. When you're done, slip stitch to the first double crochet. And chain 1, cut your yarn, and pull the loop through. So now we're going to attach our number 3 weight yarn to that first double crochet. We're going to chain 3. Now we're going to make a 5 double crochet together into that first chain stitch. So we yarn over, go into that first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we yarn over, go into the same chain, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Do this again, yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And again. We're going to do this until we have 6 loops on our hook. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Now we're going to slip stitch right where we attach the yarn, right into that same stitch. So we make a slip stitch, and this is going to create our little bobble. Then we're going to slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets. So that's 1, and 2. Now we're just going to make another bobble the same way. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make another 5 double crochet together into that first chain. So we're going to yarn over, go into the first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1 time. We're going to do that 5 times. So yarn over, go into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's twice. Yarn over, pull up a loop. That's 3 times. That's 4 times, and here's the last time. Now we have 6 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And then we're going to slip stitch right into the place where we started our chain 3. And then we're going to slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets. That's 1, and that's 2. And then we're just going to chain 3 again and make another 5 double crochet together bobble, followed by 2 slip stitches. And just to be clear, each bobble starts right after your second slip stitch. Right there you start making your chain 3. Now that we've come around to the end, we're going to finish with a slip stitch to the same stitch where we started. Then we're going to chain 1. We're going to cut the yarn and pull that loop through. Pull it nice and tight, and now just sew in your ends. And enjoy your Boho Caribbean scrunchie. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you really like it, share it with your friends. Thanks for joining.